I want to learn how to play the oboe.
Great.
I want to learn how to play super high and super low and super fast and pretty and learn a double tongue and shrill and do all of that stuff. And
Hang on. We should just take it one semester at a time.
but what can I learn in just one semester?
Well, let's find out.
I love teaching my students how to play the oboe. But above all else, I want to teach them how to understand music. And I don't mean teach them about music, although this is also sometimes important. I want to teach them to really internalize the fundamental features of music so that they can listen, perform, and interact with music with real understanding. I want to teach them comprehension and not just monkey train them to follow instructions because I want them to, or marginally better, how to follow instructions from a book as if they're just, doing the next step in a cookbook.
Okay, let's see. Next, I have to add the deodorant.
Here we go. Delicious.
But first things first, I need my students to come to the instrument with musical readiness. Now, a lot of these skills you hopefully learn in elementary school through your elementary music class, and I have a video about kind of what these are, and I'll link them up above. But in general, if they don't have these skills by the time they come to the instrument, it's important that we learn them as soon as possible when they get them. And I'm talking about pitch, rhythm, meter, and how to kind of feel music for what it is. Now, if they haven't gotten this in elementary school, it's never too late, and the instrument can be a great way to kind of get these skills under control. But if they come to the instrument with these skills, it makes everything a lot easier. If you come to the instrument with these skills, tone production becomes a lot easier because the students know what they're listening for. Once these skills are mastered, or on your way to mastering these skills, tunes become super important. We want to build a vocabulary that the student can grab onto and just really own as they approach their instrument, and more advanced repertoire.
This is Major Duple.
That's the future of music, ladies and gentlemen. Notice that they're playing together with and without their instructor, and they're keeping good time, they're trying to match each other as far as pitch goes, and they're really interacting with the music. Now, we'll continue to work on technical aspects of oboe playing, posture, hand position, those kind of things, but it's not a prerequisite for playing music on the instrument. You can start playing musically and playing music, real music, as you develop these technical skills. It's important to me that they have a repertoire of tunes, complete tunes with melodies and bass lines and harmony parts in their minds before they approach reading. Because once they have those skills, reading is super easy. The first music that I'll give them to read is usually just simple duets based on the tunes that they already know in their hearts. After they've learned these basic skills, the possibilities are endless. Keep in mind, these students have only been playing the oboe for a few months, but they've approached the instrument with a baseline of musical skills, and they use the instrument to continue to build on these musical skills. All teaching styles are different, and all teachers have something really great to offer. This is just what I think is important for students to gain in their first few months of instrumental education and education on the oboe. If you guys are learning how to play the oboe or have memories of things that were important to your teachers or are a teacher yourself and have something that's really important for you to teach your students in the first few weeks or months of learning how to play the instrument, you should leave a comment below. And if you want to help support this channel, you can subscribe using the link on the screen or down below. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video and helping me hash out some of these ideas in music education. As always, keep singing, keep playing, and good luck.